Hello, Bear Science followers. Today, we're examining the cataclysmic impact of the colossal Chicxulub asteroid, the event that brought about the extinction of the dinosaurs nearly 66 million years ago, and the devastating aftermath that reshaped our planet. If you're ready, let's unveil the secrets behind this disaster together. Once upon a time, Earth was a realm dominated by enormous and magnificent creatures sprawled across vast, open plains. Dinosaurs reigned over our planet for nearly 160 million years. Imagine this. While humans emerged only about 500,000 years ago, dinosaurs left an indelible mark as the longest reigning vertebrates in history. This unique ecosystem, bursting with diverse life forms, rendered the Earth a dramatically different place. About 66 million years ago, a colossal asteroid, ranging from 11 to 80 kilometers in width, hurtled toward Earth at roughly 72.4 kilometers per second. This gigantic rock, dislodged from the asteroid belt by the gravitational pull of Jupiter and Saturn, veered off its orbit and set itself on a collision course with our planet. As soon as it entered our atmosphere, its outer layers began to melt away due to intense friction. Smaller fragments ignited and turned to ash, yet this massive body managed to pierce through the atmosphere with nearly its entire mass intact. Imagine that moment. You're in a region of North America, and in the darkness of night, a brilliant light suddenly appears in the sky. Initially resembling an ordinary star, this light rapidly grows in intensity and, with its unyielding, colossal presence, heralds the approach of an impending catastrophe. The asteroid plowed through the densest layers of our atmosphere, unleashing an enormous amount of heat and pressure that disrupted the very structure of the Earth's crust. At the moment of impact, the ground, soil, and rocks began to behave as if they were liquid. The explosion sent forth a devastating wave of energy that penetrated deep into the planet's interior. This impact not only generated immediate shockwaves, but also marked the onset of a nightmare that would leave permanent scars on our planet's geology, ushering in lethal consequences for the dinosaurs and all other forms of life. Immediately after the impact, the colossal release of energy reshaped the Earth. Dust, smoke, and debris were hurled into the atmosphere, blocking out sunlight and causing the planet to cool abruptly. In this nuclear winter-like environment, temperatures plummeted. Massive plasma fireballs and high-pressure shockwaves formed that were powerful enough to obliterate the Earth's crust. On the surface, shock waves from the impact spread at roughly 4 kilometers per second, shaking the continents and triggering enormous tsunamis, volcanic eruptions, and raging wildfires. In the oceans, colossal waves, reaching heights of up to 180 meters, devastated coastlines, while seismic shocks penetrated deep into the Earth's crust. The vast void created by the impact is now known as the Chicxulub crater, a tangible testament to the planet's most immense destruction. Moreover, the extreme heat generated by the impact disrupted the structure of atmospheric molecules, stripping electrons from their orbits and ionizing the air. In mere seconds, temperatures soared beyond 10,000 degrees. This immense energy also melted the Earth's crust, turning soil and rock into a liquid state. Consequently, as the atmosphere reached temperatures of thousands of degrees, massive wildfires ignited, incinerating vegetation and wildlife almost instantaneously. Yet the devastation did not end there. Debris blasted into space eventually began falling back to Earth. This returning wreckage, heated by friction, triggered further chain reactions in the form of gigantic tsunamis and seismic waves, compounding the overall destruction. Across the globe, the catastrophe that began 66 million years ago was immortalized in geological records, iridium-rich layers, shocked quartz, and glass-like microscopic particles bearing witness. In the aftermath, Earth experienced extreme cooling, acid rain, volcanic activity, and massive tsunamis that nearly eradicated all life. However, amid this all-consuming destruction, some life managed to persist. Reptiles seeking refuge in water, small mammals, and especially birds, the modern remnants of the dinosaurs, survived. This devastation simultaneously opened the door for new evolutionary opportunities, paving the way for the rise of mammals and eventually human civilization. The Chicxulub Impact not only brought about the demise of the dinosaurs, but also set the stage for the rise of mammals and eventually human civilization. Today, scientists study this colossal catastrophe to understand the delicate balance of our planet and to prepare for potential future cosmic threats. This event serves as a stark reminder of Earth's fragility and the profound influence cosmic forces can have on our lives. That's the story of the Chicxulub Impact, a cataclysm that not only ended the age of dinosaurs, but also paved the way for a new era on Earth. What is your take on this dramatic event? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dive content. Keep exploring and stay curious.